Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about how to fix Instagram blocked action. So the answer is simple. You just have to go to the settings as you see, and then go to the scroll down to the apps, and here search on Instagram. Okay, and now as you see, go to the storage and go to the clear cache and click on it. Now go see if it worked. If it didn't work, you can maybe try to restart the phone, and if it didn't work again, you can maybe try to clear data, but be careful, you will lose all your data. So be careful when you wanna clear data. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.